We are standing by to see Luigi Mangione any minute in a Manhattan court for what could be his final public appearance before his high-profile murder trial begins. Jury selection set to begin next month, and Mangione is accused of killing UnitedHealthcare CEO Brian Thompson in December 2024. Now, he's convicted in the state murder case. He faces the possibility of life in prison. Here now to dive into what we can expect in this trial and today, trial attorney Kelly Hyman. Thank you so much for being here. Can you give us some sense of what arguments are left, what this pretrial conference is going to entail that is happening before, of course, jury selection begins in September?
Media access to this trial is going to be a key argument in today's case. And why is that important? From a defense standpoint, they want to make sure that the public sees this case, not only in the courtroom, but that it's going to be live streamed, that people are going to be able to see it. However, in New York law, they do not allow live public streaming, so that's most likely not going to happen. But they're also objecting to transparency. Under our Constitution, the defendant is entitled to a Sixth Amendment right to a fair trial open to the public, and the defense are arguing that only 6 journalists are going to be there for the jury selection, and only 68 journalists are going to be there for the trial itself. So they want to know why these journalists were chosen and get some more information about what that decision was made.
Yeah. Everybody was watching this case as it was happening. It was news for weeks. There is a huge public interest in this case. I do want to ask you about something that the defense did, where it decided not to use an extreme emotional disturbance defense after the judge said that Mangione's psychiatric records would then have to be turned over to the court. What does that tell you about the defense strategy at this point?
So initially, the defense strategy was to mitigate the damages. And what does that mean? So under this defense, the potential charge is murder in the state case, and it would lessen it to manslaughter. And what that means is that he would serve less time in jail if, in fact, that he was convicted. However, in this case, the psych records had to be disclosed, and also experts as well. So potentially, there wasn't enough evidence to support the defense position about this defense, and that's why they withdrew it.
Kelly Hyman, thank you so much walking us through that. This will probably be the last time we see Mangione in court until the trial date starts, which is in September, not too long from now. Appreciate your time this morning.